Hello, it's Bert. No, let me try this again. Hello, this is Carl Burke from Burke.com. This is number 23 of the video challenge. And today we're going to go through something I got for Christmas. It's called a Leatherman Tool. And I had filmed this tool with this player, and so there you go. Here it is. Well, what am I going to talk about? A Leatherman's tool. Kathy got it for me for Christmas. Very useful tool. It's made for what do you call it? Outdoorsmen or anybody that is mechanically inclined, that never goes without a tool if he has one of these. Let's look at it. Here is the Leatherman's tool. It folds out. Who can go without a set of needle nose pliers? Wow. With cutting edge, so you can cut wires, or you can turn bolts, or you can get in those hard to places. You would think just with that and a tool it would be worth it, but no. Let's see what we got in these side. Ooh, it's some kind of knife. It's a serrated knife. Could be for cutting meat. It could be for cutting something hard to cut. It's got, let's see. Can opener. You can't go without a can opener. Phillips head screwdriver. Regular small screwdriver. And another saw blade. Wow. And it all folds up neatly. It has a little lock here that holds the tools out, which one you want out. So you got to push it in to fold it back. Ooh, nice. And the other side, has a knife. Notice how that clicks together. And it has a thing where you can push and unlock it. See what else we got in there. Ooh, large screwdriver, even larger. And a leather tool. It's for punching holes. and a bow. Wow. Really nice. And they fold all up. You would think that would be it, right? But no. And as a 9-inch scale. See the scale. So that is the Leatherman Tool. You can get one at I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. If not, I'll put a link down to it below the video, and you can wrong side. Ooh. And then put it on your belt. So if you're needing one of these, you can buy it on Amazon.com. And like I said, the link is below this video. Great. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you find it informative. And until tomorrow, this is Carl Burke at Burke.com signing off, and see you tomorrow. Bye.